Kenworth W900 Motorhome, the perfect blend of power, luxury, and versatility. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is an extraordinary combination of rugged capability, classic design, and modern luxury. Built on the legendary W900 heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome is designed for those who demand both high performance and ultimate comfort, whether for extended travel or adventurous journeys. From its powerful engine to its meticulously crafted interior, the W900 Motorhome seamlessly merges industrial strength with a home-like experience. Exterior design and craftsmanship. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is instantly recognizable, thanks to its long-nose design, a signature of the W900 truck. Its sleek, aerodynamic front end seamlessly integrates with the motorhome section at the rear, maintaining its iconic robust appearance. Key exterior highlights include chrome accents, polished fuel tanks, and dual exhaust stacks that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Custom exterior paint jobs and graphics packages for personalization, allowing each motorhome to reflect its owner's unique taste. High-strength materials ensure durability, making it capable of handling even the most demanding road conditions. Integrated storage compartments provide ample space for supplies, tools, and recreational equipment. Large, heavy-duty tires and a reinforced suspension system ensure a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. Power and performance. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is built on a foundation of heavy-duty power. Engine options such as the Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX-13 deliver exceptional performance, with torque figures exceeding 2000 lb-ft, making this one of the most capable motorhomes in terms of towing capacity and overall performance. Towing capabilities. Able to haul large loads, whether it be trailers filled with outdoor gear, boats, or motorcycles. Advanced drivetrain technology ensures seamless power delivery and efficiency on highways and rugged terrains. Air ride suspension system smooths out bumpy roads, steep inclines, and heavy loads. Fuel efficiency. While fuel consumption is not its strongest suit, the sheer power it provides compensates, allowing for confident long hauls and challenging routes. Luxurious interior and living space. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a luxurious retreat on wheels. Designed for maximum comfort and convenience, the open-concept living area features plush leather seating and custom wood finishes that provide a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting, handcrafted cabinetry, and premium upholstery that create an upscale yet functional environment. Kitchen. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen ensures home-cooked meals on the road with a spacious refrigerator, dual basin sink, and high-end induction or gas cooktop. Convection oven for versatile cooking options. Ample storage, with pull-out drawers and hidden compartments to keep everything organized. Bathroom. The bathroom is designed for luxury and practicality, featuring a full-sized shower with multiple spray options, a stylish vanity with modern fixtures, generous storage for toiletries and essentials. Every detail in the interior is carefully crafted to ensure a true home-away-from-home experience, even on long journeys. Technology and safety innovations. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is equipped with cutting-edge technology for both safety and convenience. Driver assistance and safety features. High-resolution touchscreen control center for navigation, media, and vehicle diagnostics. Advanced safety systems including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and multiple camera feeds for enhanced visibility. Seamless integration with external power sources and RV utilities, ensuring a smooth transition between urban camping and off-grid adventures. Entertainment and connectivity. High-end sound systems provide a premium audio experience. Entertainment options ensure a comfortable atmosphere for extended road trips. customizability, and versatility. One of the standout features of the Kenworth W900 Motorhome is its flexibility. Buyers can customize their motorhome to fit their specific needs, whether it be additional storage solutions for long-haul travelers, custom sleeping arrangements for families or solo adventurers, unique entertainment setups for those who want to bring the comforts of home on the road. From luxury interiors to rugged off-road packages, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome can be tailored to fit any lifestyle, making it the perfect choice for both leisure and work. Whether navigating highways, camping in remote locations, or attending outdoor events, this motorhome is built to handle it all. Conclusion: the Kenworth W900 Motorhome is the ultimate expression of power, craftsmanship, and luxury on wheels. With its unmatched performance, superior interior comfort, and timeless design, it caters to those who demand the best of both worlds: durability and industrial-grade strength combined with premium living space. Whether you're an adventure seeker, long-haul traveler, or someone who simply demands the best, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome stands as a true testament to innovation and excellence in the world of motorhomes.